Máquina CNC Multifuncional bus bar processing machine can do the bus bar cutting, punching, and bending in one machine. With 3 independent pumps, the operations of cutting, punching, and bending can be processed at same time. Guillotine type wasteless cutter with automatic length position stop. Turret punching with automatic X and Y position gauge. CNC bending is automatic angle bending and position stop. No more manual marking on bus bar. All-in shipment design as well online service team. Assure each customer to use our machine without worries.